What's up, everybody? Thank you all for joining me. We're going to look at some of the most, requested, hottest selling, top, best, whatever you want to call it, accessories for your golf cart, currently available at ErieGolfCars.com. So one of our most popular accessories is the folding rear seat. They come in standard colors like black, beige, and white, but you can also get custom seat covers if you want. Look at that nice white stitching in there. It's okay to be extra. Be extra. We like extra. We're extra too.
What makes this accessory so popular is it adds extra passengers to your golf cart. And if you need to transport something, you just fold it down. And now you can carry boxes or lighter cargo around that you may not want to carry longer distances.
So these rear seats come standard with this opening here that has an optional basket insert that you can put in if you want extra storage underneath of it. Now this model over here does have the wire basket inside of it. When you open it, these two handles will fold up and you'll just lift this basket right out and you'll be able to fill it full of things that you may want to either keep dry or just keep from rattling around while you drive. As you can also see on this model, it does not have the extended top that comes with it. It has a standard 2-passenger top. So if that was something you were interested in, you'd be able to add it on. Now that is not the only rear seat that we carry. We also have this premium version, and you can tell with the rib seating and the more contour feel, plus the more plush bounce to it, that it gives a different ride for people in the back of the vehicle. First rear seat that we talked about was constructed on steel. This one has some steel components, but it also has a hard plastic composite body to it that gives it a nice lightweight with durability. You're going to notice some immediate differences about this seat. Not only with the seats themselves and how they're rib contoured, but the armrests, they're also up and more contoured towards your arm and how they'll fit on there. And each one has cup holders on it, which may not sound like a big deal, but it is a big deal. Trust me. This version also, if you reach down in the back, it has handles. Grab a handle, fold it open, and it has the deck for you to put cargo on it if you wanted to carry boxes or your tackle box to go fishing, or if you were a hunter, or if you had large property and you just wanted to take something from point A to point B. Now when you have it open, there's going to be some differences that you also notice. When you look inside, you're going to have an area at the top here that has a measuring tape for 2 feet for all those giant fish you're going to catch. Now I know that you're going to need more than 2 feet for the size of fish you catch. I get that. But just in case, that's there. Now, if you want to carry some of your favorite beverages with you, this model comes with an insert that can be used as a cooler with drainage in the bottom. Just remember that holds there. If you do have ice in it, it's going to go down beneath into where that basket area is down there. Or if you just have ice packs, this would be fine. You can put this in there. The good thing is about this, you can take this out, you can wash it, rinse it out, do whatever you need to. Let's say you go out fishing, you want it to go right in here. Maybe you had a bag at the bottom. You can pull this out and wash it. When you're done, transport it in, transport it out. Fits right back in there, nice and neat. Closes down, has a handle on it so it won't pop up and rattle the whole time. Very well constructed, very well thought out. Also, when you have this folded down, just in case these 2 cup holders weren't enough, you have 2 other small inserts over here that are going to show you that you'll be able to fit a pop can down there or your favorite beverage. It's a good size. It's a good size. You can fit multiple waters, multiple things inside of there, right? It's a good hard plastic. You're not gonna have to worry about, carrying, loading up with too much stuff and it breaking it. It fits in there nice and neat. You just gotta make sure you have this cut out towards the front because that's where it locks in place. See, it's a nice tight fit. So when it comes time to pick your rear seat, please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions that you have. Our sales staff and our parts and accessories department
they're here to help.